Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing Kali. Run apt update and apt upgrade now, and enable 32-bit support so Wine works correctly. Once done, install Wine, Wine32, Winatrix, and Core fonts with apt. These supply Windows Font Metrics Excel needs. Make a quick choice. Use LibreOffice Calc for native performance, or proceed to install Microsoft Excel via Wine or Play on Linux if you need exact Excel features. This first step gets the foundation ready, so later installs won't fail from missing libraries or fonts. You now create a dedicated Wine prefix to isolate Excel, export Wine prefix and Winatrix as Win32. Then use Winatrix to set the Windows version to Windows 7 and install Core fonts, vcrun 2015, and gdipless, because Excel depends on those libraries. Next, run the Microsoft Office installer inside that prefix, or use Play on Linux to automate installers and shortcuts. Make sure to accept prompts and install COM components. Once installed, open Excel, load a sample. XLSX, and verify formulas, fonts. You finish by configuring Excel preferences. Enable Auto Recover, set default save paths, and create a backup folder so files are safe. Then optimize performance. Disable unnecessary animations, limit add-ins, and close heavy apps to free RAM. This makes large spreadsheets usable on Kali. If things go wrong, check Wine logs and the Wine prefix folder for missing DLLs, run Wineboot, and reapply Winatrix Core fonts and vcrun packages. Reinstalling the prefix often resolves corrupted installs. Restart Wine after any fixes, and test Excel again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.